Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a really super dark dramatic smoky eye with a very big winged liner just to accompany the drama, and of course very fluffy lashes. And if you want to see what I did to do this look, then please keep on watching. So what I always do is I start off by priming my lids, and I always like to use a concealer for this part because I feel like concealers work perfectly for eyeshadow bases. And today I'm using the Inglot all covered concealer in shade 11. I chose this specific color because it's super pale, and any color I will put on top will pop just amazing. As you can see, the base is super nice and light and even. First color I'm going into is from the Stacy Marie palette in the shade Basic. So I'm taking that on a really fluffy brush and I'm just buffing that in through my crease, making sure the edges are nice and blended. But then I'm going back into my crease with the same eyeshadow just to build up the intensity. And now I'm taking the color called Naked and I'm buffing that in through the crease right on top of the basic color just to kind of blend out the edges ever so slightly. Then to deepen up the eyes, I'm taking the shade Bestie from the Plouise original palette, but I'm pretty sure it's the same one that she has in her newer palette as well. Then I'm going to be taking this shade here, Rowdy, just to kind of blend out Bestie ever so slightly, just to get a nice even blend. Then I'm taking the shade Trippin' from the Plouise palette and I'm using that just to set my lid, and then I'm applying the shimmery shade in Splay on top of that just to add a little bit of shimmer. Then I'm going to be winging out my liner with the 77 gel liner, my absolute favorite gel liner. Haven't switched to anything else. It's super black and waterproof, and I'm going to be creating a really super dramatic wing. And the way I do this, I actually draw the wing further out from my eye. I'm not actually drawing it out from my eye, so I kind of move the line outside just a teeny bit. And if you want a tutorial on how to do that, you can let me know. But basically I'm just taking the darker brown shades again from the palette and I'm blending that underneath the eyes. And then just for a highlighter, I use this shade Prin from the Plouise palette. And then just to finish off, I applied Amelia lashes from Rebeluna on my top lash line, just to add a really nice wispy smoky effect. So this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!